Hello students, our today's topic is create customer master data. For creating master data, we can use the transaction code FD01 or bypass SAP S accounting, financial accounting, accounts receivable, master records and creates. SAP में जाकर देखते हैं. SAP is the assess, accounting, financial accounting, accounts receivable, master records, create. Now select organizations and then click on continue button. Here we will create our local customer. For that we will select first our BP role, that is FLCU00. Then click on create button. Set our group, that is LBPT. Okay. Now enter our details. XYZ fixers, XYZ सर्च टर्म दे देते हैं ताकि हम ये सर्च टर्म से डेटा सेलेक्ट कर सकें. नेक्स्ट वी विल असाइन अवर स्ट्रीट एड्रेस, मैनचेस्टर रोड, रोड नंबर, पोस्ट कोड MA1 1RO R0, मैनचेस्टर, country GB, language English. Now click on check button. Okay, data of business partner is error free. Then click on save button. So here our business partner is ready. We can check business partner display 82101. Now click on change button. Then click on company code. Enter our company code here. Just press enter. Okay, just we will go back, change customer 50000, company code TRE1. Okay, fine. BP business partner by customer number. Our customer number is 82101. Search term XYZ. Okay, just double click on it. Enter company code. General data. Change the FLCU00. Press enter. Then click on company code TRE1. Enter our company code. Now enter our reconciliation account 150000. Press enter. Then click on customer payment transaction. Enter your terms of payment, payment method. And then click on save button. So here our local customer is ready.